Toyota has now ventured out into fully electric vehicles after decades of experience with hybrid automobiles. Their SUV representing this journey, called the Toyota BZ4X, is the Japanese brand's most highly anticipated electric vehicle, and many Toyota fans are looking for answers on some pretty important questions, like when the vehicle will go on sale or what features the BZ4X will bring. Well, keep on watching the video to learn everything there is to know about Toyota's revolutionary electric vehicle. Toyota has established itself as one of the world's most powerful multinational automobile manufacturers. Electromobility is on the verge of shaping the future of the automobile industry, and Toyota looks to capitalize on this cognizance with the introduction of the BZ4X, Toyota's all-new battery electric compact crossover SUV. This is poised to shape the company's future. The BZ4X concept was unveiled to the general public in 2021, and it quickly drew the attention of motoring enthusiasts all across the world. The all-electric compact crossover SUV will be the first in Toyota's new Beyond Zero series of zero-emission vehicles, and it appears to be an intriguing idea and a promising proposition at first glance. The TNGA platform, developed jointly by Toyota and Subaru, will underpin the BZ4X. This meticulously constructed platform, which underlies several well-known Toyota and Lexus vehicles, is specifically designed to cater to battery electric vehicles. The impending EV's alleged all-around technological brilliance has made quite a stir in the automotive industry and has placed the electromobility market on notice. The Toyota BZ4X is one of the best-looking compact crossover SUVs the company has ever produced. The all-electric vehicle's exterior is simple but undoubtedly beautiful, with a dash of innovation thrown in for good measure. The hammer-shaped front fascia is instantly recognizable, and its thin headlight setup adds to its striking posture. Its low overall height, slim front pillars, and low waistline all contribute to the BZ4X's sleek and appealing design, as well as its low center of gravity and aerodynamics. Large alloy wheels and sophisticated wheel arch trims highlight its aggressive posture, while sharp position lighting that spans the length of the vehicle contributes to the sleek personality of this beautiful all-electric SUV. The BZ4X's interior is an amazing combination of luxury and functionality. Its interior has a number of features that cater to the comfort of its passengers, while the premium feel of the cabin is further emphasized by the use of high-quality materials and meticulous decoration. To begin, Toyota's futuristic yoke will only be available in China. The yoke will be used in conjunction with a revolutionary steer-by-wire technology, which means there will be no mechanical connection between the tires on the road and the steering wheel used by the driver. Although a yoke isn't the most maneuverable design, Toyota claims that this method generates a lock-to-lock angle of 150 degrees. It should prevent drivers from changing their grip while steering, especially in congested places like parking garages. Different driver modes can modify the sensation of the steering with the by-wire system. Engineers and designers were able to provide greater legroom by removing the steering column. We don't know whether the yoke will also be available in the US, so we'll just have to wait and see. The SUV's elegant dashboard is lower and notably slimmer, improving total spaciousness and visibility for the driver. The driver-centered cockpit also includes a 7-inch TFT infotainment system that is both intuitive and well-positioned, and the entire cabin is designed with soft textures, high-quality fabrics, and even satin elements to create a more pleasant and engaging in-cabin experience. The open cabin of the BZ was designed with Lagom philosophy in mind. This Swedish theme translates to simply perfect, and the promising all-electric machine's amazing attention to detail and engineering ingenuity surely deserves this bold claim. The all-electric BZ4X will be available in both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations, giving it more flexibility in its total package. The front-wheel drive version of the compact crossover SUV will be powered by a 150 kilowatt electric motor that produces 204 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, accelerating the BZ4X to 60 miles per hour in 8.4 seconds, and to a top speed of 100 miles per hour. The all-wheel drive version, on the other hand, will produce a beefier 217.5 horsepower and 247 pound-feet of torque, resulting in the same top speed but a faster 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint time of 7.7 seconds. The innovative all-electric vehicle will also include single-pedal drive technology, which will improve energy regeneration when braking. Explained more in depth in a previous video of ours about the Lucid Air, linked on the card above. It will also allow the driver to accelerate and decelerate using only the accelerator pedal. The BZ4X's impeccably built high-density lithium-ion battery is intended to last a decade, with a 150,000-mile range demonstrating Toyota's legendary engineering prowess. The BZ will be equipped with a number of performance-oriented innovations that will assist to improve the entire driving experience of the vehicle, which is slated to have a range of 280 miles. It'll have an efficient heating system with a heat pump that will help the drivetrain's dependability factor in sub-zero temperatures, while the battery pack itself can be recharged up to 80% in 30 minutes with the use of a 150 kilowatt fast charging system. The smartly constructed water-cooled battery will instantly identify abnormal heat buildup, extending the battery pack's operating range and overall life. A solar panel roof will be available for the Toyota BZ4X, which will absorb solar energy and provide free electricity to charge the battery pack and operate the car. This practical innovation is supposed to store enough energy to drive 1,118 miles in a year, demonstrating the Japanese automaker's incredible technological ingenuity. The third-generation Toyota Safety Sense system will be present, which will serve to improve the entire nature of safety on board the SUV. Improved millimeter-wave radar and camera, as well as a pre-collision safety system that detects vehicles traveling in the opposite direction, assists in emergency braking, and even suppresses acceleration at low speeds. The SUV will be manufactured in both Japan and China. In the middle of 2022, the first BZ4X model should arrive in the United States. The Volkswagen ID.4, Ford Mustang Mach-E, Tesla Model Y, and other vehicles will have a new competitor by then. The Solterra Subaru's version of this SUV is expected to debut next year. The Toyota BZ4X looks to be a creative and extremely entertaining EV for the public, with a planned price of $40,000 and a much-anticipated arrival in 2022, guaranteed to stir things up in the electromobility market. It's a brilliant example of Toyota's diversified and inventive approach to car design. The Japanese automaker has a strong presence in the electromobility market with a diverse variety of electrified vehicles that demonstrate outstanding technical inventiveness and technological prowess. Toyota has almost 25 years of experience in the electric vehicle sector, with plug-in hybrids, battery electric vehicles, and even fuel cell electric vehicles praised by customers all over the world. The newcomer appears to be game-changing in its sector with an entire package that oozes intellect, creativity, and a level of dependability that only a Toyota can deliver. Toyota's 2022 BZ4X is vying for the title of Ultimate All-Electric Compact Crossover SUV. Thus, 2022 appears to be a big year for them. And now we want to hear from you. Leave your verdict in the comments below. What do you think about the battery electric Toyota BZ4X? And if the price is right, would you buy it? Whatever it is, let us know, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.